This is the Otis Hardcore Hunter Cleaning Kit. Designed for the most common hunting calibers and gauges, it packs the core components you need for an extended hunt. And it's all in a compact Realtree or mossy oak case that can slide into any bag. 7 firearm-specific bore brushes cover the rifles, pistols, and shotguns hunters use most. Combine that with a big set of aircraft-grade cables, plus cotton patches and slotted tips, and you have everything needed for thorough breech-to-muzzle cleaning, no matter where the hunt takes you. A few specialized tools are included, making sure you're equipped for any challenge, whether you're at the truck or in the field. Because you never know when your next trophy shot is going to come. But with this system, your gun will always be ready for it. The Hardcore Hunter Cleaning Kit. Only from Otis.